In this section, we will try to build a simple trading strategy. The purpose of this section is not to show you this is a profitable trading strategy in real life or teach you how to make money by trading stock. We want to make use of this case to motivate you to learn Python and have a little practice for the next several topics. Record from the previous section. Moving average of the short period is more closely associated with the recent change of stock price. We will call it fast signal. Moving average over a long period reflects the price change over long-term history. We call it a slow signal. In this strategy, we will use MA10 and MA50 to represent our fast signal and slow signal respectively. If MA10 is larger than MA50, it is likely that stock price will go up in the next several days, so our strategy is to buy and hold one share of stock. We need to create a new variable called shares to denote whether we long or not. It is created using list comprehension. Shares is equal to 1 if MA10 is larger than MA50. Otherwise, it is 0. Then we can compute daily profit. We first create variable close 1, which is the close price of tomorrow. Then, we create a new variable called profit, which indeed is the daily profit. If the share is equal to 1, the daily profit is equal to the close price of tomorrow minus the close price of today. Positive means gain money, negative means lose money. If the share is equal to 0, it means we do not have stock at hand, the profit is equal to 0. We can plot the profit and find out on some days we make money, on other days we lose money. Now we can calculate the cumulative wealth. We will use CumSum to compute the cumulative sum and create a new variable wealth. Then, we check the tail part of data frame and check whether we make money or lose money. We can see that this strategy makes about $145. In the last row, the profit and the wealth have NaN values because those returns are computed from close 1. Close 1 is calculated using shift-1. So, in order to get a terminal wealth, we need to see the second last row. The index level should be fb.index-2. Then, we print out wealth, which in fact is a sum of profit. We will buy one share of stock on the first day. This strategy seems to be very promising, but there are lots of questions if you want to implement it in the real market. For example, the drawdown is huge. Let's have a quick summarization of what we learned in the first week's sections. We learned the basics of Python for data operation, how to read data into data frame, how to explore basic attributes and methods of data frame. Most importantly, know how to create new variables using column-wise transformation or list comprehension. In the next few weeks, we will try to find a better signal for trading, evaluate the performance of shared strategy correctly and more techniques. We will start week 2 in the next section.